Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Code Pipeline introduces a new debugging experience in the AWS Management Console, enabling users to identify and resolve pipeline failures more efficiently. The enhanced debugging interface features a dedicated debugging page accessible through the Action Details button in the left navigation bar. This page presents a simplified pipeline view with execution and action details displayed in a side panel. This streamlined layout allows users to easily monitor the pipeline process and quickly debug action failures, streamlining the troubleshooting process. The AWS Management Console now supports simultaneous sign-in for multiple AWS accounts. This feature enables customers to access up to 5 sessions in a single browser, allowing them to manage resources across different accounts with ease. Customers can use this feature to sign into various accounts, including root, IAM, and federated roles, regardless of whether the accounts are located within the same or different regions. This simultaneous sign-in capability is particularly useful for customers who maintain multiple accounts for different environments, such as development, testing, and production. Prior to this launch, customers had to rely on workarounds like signing into separate browsers or using third-party browser plugins to access multiple AWS accounts. However, with the introduction of multi-session support, customers can now manage their resources across multiple accounts within a single browser session. To enable this feature, customers simply need to sign into the AWS console, select the account menu, and toggle on Turn on multi-session. If desired, customers can opt out of this feature at any time by accessing the same menu. Amazon EC2 R8G instances are now available in additional regions, offering improved performance and security for memory-intensive workloads such as databases, in-memory caches, and real-time big data analytics. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 4 processors, delivering up to 30% better performance compared to AWS Graviton 3-based instances. The larger instance sizes of our 8G instances provide up to 3 times more vCPU and memory than their Graviton 3-based counterparts, making them ideal for workloads that require significant computational resources. These instances are also built on the AWS Nitro system, which offloads CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software, enhancing the performance and security of your workloads. Our 8G instances offer up to 50 gigabits per second enhanced networking bandwidth and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store, ensuring fast data transfer and efficient storage. With their increased vCPU and memory capacity, these instances are particularly well-suited for demanding workloads such as databases and big data analytics. The availability of our 8G instances in additional regions provides greater flexibility and scalability for organizations looking to deploy memory-intensive workloads on Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 i8G instances are now available in the Europe region. These instances offer the best performance for storage-intensive workloads and are powered by AWS Graviton 4 processors, providing up to 60% better compute performance compared to previous generation i4G instances. The i8G instances use the latest third-generation AWS Nitro SSDs, offering local NVMe storage that delivers up to 65% better real-time storage performance per TB while providing up to 50% lower storage I/O latency and up to 60% lower storage I/O latency variability. These instances are built on the AWS Nitro system, which offloads CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software, enhancing both performance and security. i8G instances come in instance sizes up to 24s large, with 768 GB of memory, and 22.5 TB instance storage, making them ideal for real-time applications like relational databases, non-relational databases, streaming databases, search queries, and data analytics. AWS Resource Explorer now supports 29 new resource types across all AWS commercial regions. These additional resource types include Amazon FSx, Amazon Route 53, and AWS Glue. ACM certificate is one of the newly supported resource types in AWS Resource Explorer. Another addition is Code Pipeline, Webhook. Comprehend, Document Classifier and Comprehend, Entity Recognizer are also now searchable in the platform. Furthermore, Databrew, Job and Databrew project have been added to the list of supported resource types. Data Exchange, Datasets is another new type that can be searched in AWS Resource Explorer. In addition, customers can now search for DMS, ES and DMS subgroup. Elastic MapReduce, cluster and EMR containers, virtual clusters are also newly supported. Fraud Detector, External Model and Fraud Detector model have been added to the platform's supported resource types. FSX, File System is another new type that can be searched in AWS Resource Explorer. Glacier, Vaults, Glue, Crawler, Greengrass, Connectors Definition, Greengrass, Cores Definition, Greengrass, Devices Definition, and Greengrass, Functions Definition are also now searchable. Greengrass, Loggers Definition and Greengrass, Resources Definition have been added as well. Finally, customers can search for Greengrass, Subscriptions Definition, MQ, Broker, Route 53, Domain, SES, Contact List, SES, Configuration Set, and SES, Identity in AWS Resource Explorer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.